doing it, folks.
It's just a bit. Not the whole camper.
So we have finally decided to paint part of the camper. I grabbed the camera. She already started. That's what happens with my wife. She gets an idea ahead and she's already out the door before I can even find the camera. So
I just want to paint inside here. So
what are you painting? Tell us.
I just want to paint the overhead in the bedroom so that it makes it feel a little bit more open.
Okay.
Not so claustrophobic.
Yeah. A lot of these campers have very dark cabinetry. Right? Everything is dark.
Uh-huh.
But
which is fine, and I like it. It's just I feel a little claustrophobic.
So what are you painting exactly?
I'm using chalk paint.
All right, and you're painting
this wall, ceiling, and that wall.
Okay. All right, so we got a time lapse going right here. Hopefully nobody will knock it over. And if we get a time lapse going, then we'll see how it looks. Happy painting.
Thanks, babe.
Show us your progress.
Yeah, go in.
All right. Okay, let's see the progress. Okay.
First coat.
It's just the first coat. Okay, so this is what's going to be white. I guess it's like antique white, right? Chalkboard paint.
Yeah.
So it's the first coat. Probably going to need, I don't know, 2 or 3 coats?
I would think 2, 3.
3.
I think 3.
I think 3 too. And then there's a lot of other just stuff. Crap. We're packing some new stuff this year. So we have to get rid of some old stuff. Like 2 brand new inflatable stand-up paddleboards.
Don't forget our electric bike.
Oh, and our new Rad Power bike that we got so that we can take bike rides with Jet. So a lot of that stuff has to get put in. We did get a new bike rack. Not the jacket, but another over-the-frame bike rack that should be getting delivered soon. We'll see. All good things to come. Stay tuned. Welcome to summer 2021, post-COVID. Here we are. We scored an awesome spot at Anastasia State Park in Florida for one night, just for one night. But that's okay because we are on our way to Disney. So we scored this awesome campsite, but this is actually our 3rd night on the trip. We stopped at Pocahontas State Park in Virginia, and then we stopped at Santee Lakes in South Carolina. Both nice stops, but now we're here at Anastasia State Park and we are enjoying the view.
They're so cool, these trees.
Yeah. I think they're Spanish moss, but I don't know.
Maybe.
Jill and I were just saying how nice it is to have our bikes here. So we've never had 2 bikes. Have we ever had 2 bikes in the caboose?
We've never been able to
Once. We had 2 bikes once with the caboose, and that's when we realized that he was way too heavy. So back to what I was saying is that we've never been able to do like a family bike ride because it's never been manageable because
number 1, Jet can't ride a bike.
Number 1, Jet can't ride a bike, and number 2, he's getting pretty heavy, so pulling him on like one of those foldable bikes that we used to have was a nightmare. So now we do the Rad Power bike, which Jill pulls him on, which she loves.
I don't even have to pedal.
And there he is, being pulled. Hi, Jet.
Hi.
And then I'm on my bike, my Trek. Not electric, but that's okay. I don't mind it. And this is amazing. This is one of the nicest things we've ever done. Just like spur of the moment.
Yeah.
And they're very accessible in our camper because we're only here for a night and we were able to get them out. It's awesome. But I'm looking for the turtles crossing. It says wildlife crossing, so I'm looking. Better. So we scored this epic campsite at Anastasia State Park thanks to the work of my wife here. But it was just one night. One night, one spot, that's all they had, but guess what? That's all we needed. And now we're on the way to Disney! Okay, we don't usually do morning bed shots here, but
No.
Jill,
Oh, I took a snapshot of it.
you want to tell everybody why we're up and what we got? I meant to film it, but I forgot.
We're group 43 on Rise of the Resistance.
We got boarding group 43.
I don't know what that means, but we're
It
in.
means we're going on the ride. And we're excited about it. And Monty, he's not very excited, but he did get Chewbacca.
Chewbacca.
That's what Jet calls him, Chewbacca. You excited?
Chewie. Get it? Chewbacca.
Good Studios! And this gal right here scored boarding group 43 for us.
We're going on the Rise of Resistance.
Like, don't you have to get those people are picking up tickets and stuff? There's another one usually inside. We made it.
Hollywood Studios. I'm all ears. That was cute.
We officially made it to a park, and it's crowded, but it's not like
Not around us.
not around us. Not with that thing. But I mean, it's hot, but it's not like unbearable. But we made it, and we are so pumped. And we're going over to the Star Wars area. We're gonna hit Rise of the Resistance and Smuggler's Run, and I'm psyched. Everything is in the attention to detail here, right? From all the little things, the garbage cans, the ground, the sounds as you're walking by.
Oh,
That's
no
what makes it so
selfie
awesome.
sticks from Disney.
Pandora is like that as well, I think. Pandora has that attention to detail.
Aren't you a little bold for a
So number 42, we're 43.
She's literally bouncing around, waiting.
Come on, aren't you excited?
I am, but let's just hope Jet's excited.
He will be. Jet just goes with the flow.
There's 3 of us.
Come on over here.
All right.
Let me get everybody
We
scanned.
have his bracelet on ours. Oh, or she's wearing his bracelet.
got you.
but I'm- yeah.
Come on in.
Thank you.
We're in, we're in.
Incoming transmission from Ray. Recruits, thank you for joining the cause.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
We can make the jump. Be ready, you won't have much time.
Yes.
Get out of there!
We can't. Stand back from those doors.
Enemies of the first order, get out immediately. Now. Get in line. On your left.
Chill.
Wow.
Yes, absolutely.
Be ready after your turn.
Thank you so much. Jet, you.
GoPro.
Come here, Jet.
Yeah.
Are you ready for the
GoPro.
ride?
Yeah. GoPro. It's not a calling.
It's not the GoPro, that's just the regular camera.
GoPro is a big, slow ride.
It's a big slow ride.
Big slow
The
ride.
robot,
You saw the robots?
I saw it.
Stormtroopers.
Stormtroopers.
Troopers.
Oh, the chipper. GoPro.
Have we
Start
saw
recording.
Chewbacca before?
And a ride.
Did you see Chewbacca?
Chewbacca. The brown hair.
He does have brown hair, you're right.
It's gonna be come over there.
Chewbacca?
Chewbacca.
All units,
They're in big trouble.
face me.
You're gonna be in big trouble.
Look down to your feet as you're now assigned to a color. Blue, red, silver, and orange. As I call for you, you respond to the colors beneath your feet. Three of you are assigned to a color. What color was it?
Orange.
The three of you. You're now assigned to the silver and the orange. If any one of you responds to the wrong color, you're with the wrong family.
Oh.
Silver and orange inside. Respond to silver and orange.
Orange, we're orange. Go to the front. Go to the front.
Securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hall.
Whoa.
Turn right.
Whoa.
Finding all Get these two droids anyway.
Check that out!
Priority alert.
Yay!
Authorized. Wait, and those are the prisoners.
You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
The escape pods came in a little off target.
Yeah!
Recruits.
Nice job!
But hey, the resistance now. I think I have that authority.
Yeah!
Did you love it?
It's fun!
Eyes on back.
Yeah!
Lieutenant back here. Back. You're alive. I should hope so.
So, you think that ride was well worth the hype? And anticipation and the boarding groups and
I don't go on rides, and that was amazing. That was amazing. Even the drop at the end.
oh yeah, a little drop, but it wasn't bad. Oh my god, pretty incredible. We absolutely loved it. By the way, I recorded the entire ride with the GoPro.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I clipped it to the front.
Okay.
We did not, in fact, beat all the rain.
Okay, feels good.
Yeah, it does. Well, I mean, I wouldn't say it feels good. It's not like it's cool or anything, but well, it's not hot. And we're leaving the park, and we're fully protected. So, and Jet is as dry as can be in there. I mean, this guy, he doesn't even know what's going on. He doesn't know what's going on. And we're on the way home, so it's fine. And it's not pouring. Right? Now, are we going to be this lucky in the other parks?
Tomorrow when we go to Blizzard Beach?
Well, tomorrow when we go to Blizzard Beach, to be honest with you, I wouldn't care if it's raining. I'm going to be in my bathing suit. So it's...
But they may close the ride.
That's a good point. We shall see. We shall see. Great day today at Hollywood Studios. I mean, like perfect, right? Perfect. My wife is still dancing, so that means it was perfect. Thank you. No, yes, I'm sorry, yes, straw. I say no, she says yes, I gotta go with her. Thank you. Woo!
Let's try it.
That's not bad.
Is it refreshing?
Yeah, it is refreshing.
It's a non-dairy blue milk.
It's a non-dairy blue milk, but I want to know if there's alcohol in here.